The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration NOAA is predicting an above-average season. So far, 14 named storms and 7 hurricanes, 3 of which are expected to be major Category 3, 4 or 5, have been predicted. Based on new developments coming out of the Miami-based National Hurricane Center, the St. Lucia Meteorological Services is updating its hurricane procedures. The department is moving to ensure that all communication equipment is in good order and that relief supplies are adequate. Emergency contact numbers must also be functional.
We also ensure that all contact numbers that are in use, emergency numbers like NEMO, Commissioner of Police, Fire Services, that they are functioning, and we test them out to see that they work.
The Ministry of Infrastructure is also doing its part to prepare for the hurricane season. Tree trimming and drain clearing exercises, as well as measures to reinforce road networks, are ongoing.
We have activated our hurricane preparedness plan at the Department of Infrastructure. That plan includes the various assessments of all our infrastructure on the island, whether it is bridges, roads, drains, and other forms of national infrastructure. We have also begun our debushing program, our setting up overhanging along major roadways, and we expect the debushing program to commence in the coming weeks as well.
The ministry called on members of the public to take their own measures to prepare. This would include a family evacuation plan and having first aid kits and non-perishable items at hand in the event of a disaster. For the DBS News World, I am Don Nicholas.